Hello, here we are, still working from home. I can't help it. And we're going to do Grammar Chapter 5, Lesson 4. So that is about the if sentences. First conditional, and it's on book page 219. So grab your book, have a look and listen, and pause if you like. So here we go. The use of if sentence first conditional. Het gebruik. If there is a condition. Condition is voorwaarde in Dutch. Something will happen. So there is a condition for something that will happen. The structure. So what does the if sentence look like? Well, that is if plus present simple. And then in the main sentence you get will plus verb. So you have an if sentence and then you have the main sentence. That's what we call that. So you think, I have no idea. Now pay attention because I've got some examples. If I'm late for English meet, here you have your if sentence first conditional. If am is present simple. If you study grammar, if study, if plus present simple. If you are together with three or more, if are. These are sentences. There's nothing wrong with it, but you notice these sentences are not finished. If I'm late for English meet, you know something will happen afterwards. So after you're late for English meet. If you study grammar, what will happen? Well, if I'm late for English meet, Ms Bos will be angry. Could be, not sure, but Ms Bos will be angry. I want you to be in time. So if plus present simple, and in the main sentence, Ms Bos will be angry, will plus verb. If you study grammar, you will understand it better. So always study your grammar and you will understand it better. So if plus present simple, will plus verb. If you are together with three or more, the police will warn you because you are not allowed to be with more than three people. So if you are together, the police will warn you. If plus present simple, will plus verb. So these are better sentences now. And remember, if, the meaning for if is als. Als je met meer dan 3 mensen bent, zal de politie je waarschuwen. That is what it should be in Dutch, but we all say, als je met meer dan 3 bent, dan waarschuwt de politie je. So it's a little bit different from Dutch. So you don't have to start with the if sentence. It's not like in these sentences you see we always start with if, but that's not always the case. Liz will tell you what to do. I will have a word with Jack. And now you see I will have. So if you ask her, Liz will tell you what to do if you ask her. So this is the other way around. If you ask her, Liz will tell you what to do. If plus present simple, will plus verb. I will have a word with Jack if he is at home. So if he is at home, I will have a word with Jack. So you can turn it around. And again, present simple, will plus verb. The if sentences were all positive in the previous examples, but that's not always the case. Negative is also possible. So look at these. If you don't hurry, if he doesn't feel well tomorrow. So if, present simple, don't hurry. If, present simple, doesn't feel. So if you don't hurry, or if he doesn't feel well tomorrow, and you notice something will follow these sentences. If you don't hurry, you or we will miss the bus. If you don't hurry, we will miss the bus. If you don't hurry, you will miss the bus. So if, present simple, will plus verb. If he doesn't feel well tomorrow, he will stay at home. Or you can do it the other way around. You won't miss the bus. He won't stay at home. You won't miss the bus. or he won't stay at home. Won't is will plus not. You remember that? If you hurry, you won't miss the bus if you hurry. So if you hurry, you won't miss the bus. He won't stay at home if he feels well. If he's fine, there's no reason to stay home. He can go to work. So he won't stay at home if he feels well. Now, I'm going to tell you in short, here are all your notes. If sentence first conditional is present simple, the main sentence has got will plus verb. It can be positive, it can be negative, but this is a very important one. In the if sentence, there's never will. In the main sentence, there's always will. So, if the weather is fine, you see if, so no will, we will go for a walk. So there is a condition, there is een voorwaarde. We will go for a walk if the weather is fine. If it's raining or cold or snow, we won't go for a walk. So if the weather is fine, we will go for a walk. If you don't listen, and that's negative, if you don't listen, there's no will, there's never will in the if sentence. If you don't listen, you won't learn anything. You see, if you don't listen, you won't learn anything. There is will, or will plus not, won't. The exercises to go with these are exercises 6, 7, and 8. So you need this information to do these exercises. And that's in your book on pages 198 and 199, but on the digital, all right, you know where to find them. If you have any questions about this presentation, you know that you have to email me, and you can use Magister, but then you have to wait a little bit longer because it's not that easy to answer. So, and I will often answer you by your school Gmail. So please use your Gmail. Well, have a nice day. Good luck studying. And remember, if you study grammar, you will understand it better. Goodbye.